Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
8 common phrasal verbs with blow. Like and subscribe to the channel. Blow up. Meaning, to explode or to get very angry. Examples: the bomb could blow up any minute. She blew up when she heard the news. Blow out. Meaning, to extinguish or to burst. Examples: make a wish and blow out the candles. One of the car's tires blew out on the highway. Blow over. Meaning, to pass or go away without serious consequences. Examples: 1. Weather phenomenon. The storm will likely blow over by the afternoon, so we should be able to go out. 2. Temporary situation. Don't worry about the argument. It will blow over by tomorrow. Blow away. Meaning, to impress greatly or to carry away by wind. Examples: her performance blew me away. The strong wind blew away my hat. Blow off. Meaning, to ignore or dismiss someone or something. Examples: he blew off the meeting and went to the beach instead. The manager blew off the customer's complaint as unimportant. Blow in. Meaning, to arrive unexpectedly. Examples: 1. Unexpected arrival. She blew in from out of town just in time for the party, surprising everyone. 2. Natural phenomenon. The wind blew in strong gusts from the north, making the fall leaves dance. Blow by. Meaning, to pass quickly. Example: the weekend blew by so fast. Blow up at. Meaning, to get very angry with someone. Example: she blew up at his colleague during the meeting. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,